Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we have on our hands. Imagine you have a dataset with different IDs, months, and status values, and you need to interpolate when a status occurs only once within a sequence. Tricky, right? But fear not, as we'll walk through a solution step by step. Now, let's talk about the solution provided. We have a neat function defined called \f that takes an input vector \x and works its magic. The function checks each element in the vector and replaces any outlier value, a status occurring only once within a sequence, with a neighboring value. It's like a friendly neighbor helping out to maintain the status quo. This function cleverly ensures consistency within the sequence of status values. Isn't that cool? Continuing with the solution, we have some examples showcasing how the function \f operates on different input vectors. By running the function on these vectors, we can see how those pesky outlier status values get adjusted to match their neighbors. It's like a smooth transition, ensuring harmony in the sequence. The function does its job efficiently and effectively, giving us the desired results. Kudos to the function \f for being so reliable. In summary, we've tackled the problem of interpolating values within sequences where a status occurs only once. Thanks to the clever \f function, we've successfully maintained consistency in the status values, ensuring a smooth flow of data. So, with that said, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below. And remember, when in doubt, just interpolate it out. See you next time.